Model, 69 plate Ford Transit 350 tipper twin-wheeler non-runner low mileage Euro 6 ULEZ compliant open mouth smile. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 85,102. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Ecoblue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, timing belt has snapped. Nice easy repair for them who know how. Grin. Remember, this is the twin-wheeler version, not the useless single-wheel axle grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after tipper. Features, 0 former keepers, full service history, EU status, Euro 6. HP